How to use Regions Bank Merchant Services online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you're running a business, well here is how to use Regions Bank Merchant Services online to manage payments. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to head to the merchant services dashboard and there you can accept credit and debit card payments, track transactions and manage deposits. So there you can also use the virtual terminal to process payments securely even without a card reader. And there, if you need analytics, merchant services gives you detailed reports on sales trend, customer payments, and chargebacks. And you can also set up automatic deposits so funds go straight into your region's business account. And there, if you want to customize, then you can customize your invoicing and receipts to match your brand and keep transaction professional. And that's it. That's how you can use Regions Bank Merchant Services online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.